Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Celery Sunomono, a Japanese salad made with rice vinegar. It is an easy-to-make side dish with simple ingredients. You are probably more familiar with Sunomono made with cucumber, but today we are using celery. You can actually make Sunomono with any vegetable. First, we peel off strings of celery like that and slice the celery as thin as you can. Sprinkle some salt and let it sit for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, here we have the dried red chili pepper. Remove the seeds and slice thinly. In a bowl, add the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, and whisk until mixed. Now we squeeze the water out of the celery and put it in a vinegar mixture. Add the sesame seeds and red chili pepper and mix well. Chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Refreshing celery and sweet vinegar go very well together. Try this healthy and easy side dish.
美味しいね。